Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to open an existing Cryptomator vault step by step. If you've already created a vault or restored one from a backup, you can easily add it to Cryptomator and access your encrypted files whenever you need them. So let's get started. First, open Cryptomator on your Windows PC, Mac, or Linux computer. Wait for the application to load completely. If your vault is already listed on the home screen, you can skip ahead and unlock it. If not, you'll need to add it first. Next, click Add Existing Vault. A file browser will open, allowing you to locate the vault on your computer, external drive, or cloud storage folder such as Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox. Now browse to the folder containing your Cryptomator vault and select the vault configuration file if prompted. Once the vault has been added, it will appear in your list of available vaults inside the Cryptomator application. Click the Unlock button next to the vault and enter your vault password. If the password is correct, Cryptomator will mount the vault as a virtual drive or open it as a folder, depending on your operating system and settings. Open the mounted drive using File Explorer on Windows, Finder on macOS, or your preferred Linux file manager. You'll now be able to view, edit, copy, and add files just like you would in any normal folder. When you're finished, return to Cryptomator and click Lock Vault to secure your encrypted files again. And that's it. You now know how to open an existing Cryptomator vault and securely access your encrypted files on any supported computer. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next